आदाब नाजरीन, शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स लेसन 9 की तरफ हम बढ़ रहे हैं। मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विद द नंबर ऑफ वंस। सो यहाँ पर 4 डिजिट नंबर 5 कौन सा भी नंबर, यहाँ पर 3 1 से आपका आंसर होगा 3 6 8 8 5 3। सो चलिए हम ये ट्रिक्स समझते हैं, लेसन की तरफ चलते हैं। Let us learn the method now how to multiply any number with number of ones, 11, 111, 1111 in that way. So in order to understand, I again show you the graph, that is bell icon. So if you are having a two ones, then adding starting with 1 digit addition and 2 digit addition, in that way we have to proceed according to the symbol. Start with just 4 digit, it is 2, then add these 2 digits, you got a 7, then you proceed in further, add with 2 digits because number of ones are only 2, so maximum number of addition will be for the 2 only. Then add these 2 digits, got a 8, then proceed, add these 2 digits, got a 7, then single digit 4, your answer is ready. Okay, let us take one more example. Again you got a same thing, two ones, then start with 1. In this way, number of addition first is 2, then 5, then add this next 2, that is how much, 9, next 2, you got a 10, 2 digits, so you write the 0 and carry on. Next is only the addition of 4, that is 4 and 5, exactly 50952. So in this way you can, sometimes addition can generate the carry, you have to give the carry to the next sum. In this way the addition of multiplication of any number with 11. Next let us see 111, how it would be. Let us see for the multiplication of the 4 digit number, any number, but 3 ones are there. So the bell symbol, this is a technique trick. What does it tells us? Firstly take the number 2, then addition of 2, that is from here you are adding 2 numbers, you got it 6. Next addition of 3 numbers, from here you got it 7 into 9, then proceed with another 3 numbers. In this way you got it 7 and 8, then 2 numbers, sum, that is 4, last one number. So in this way you will get the multiplication of any number with 111. So let us multiply any number with 4 ones. So 4 ones bell icon, remember the first number, then addition of last 2, then addition of 3, that is 8, you got addition of all the 4 numbers. We are here now adding all these 4 numbers, so 8 and 9, then last 3, that is 5 and 6, last 2 numbers 4, last number. This is your answer. In this way the multiplication of any number with number of ones can be done. So this is the shape, you remember, you can multiply any. Sometimes you may generate a carry must be added to the next sum. So hope you understood. In this way, if you want a new trick in front of you, then please subscribe to our channel. You will get a new trick in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Hope you are understanding and enjoying these lessons. If you don't want to miss these lessons, subscribe to our YouTube channel Mutahir's Education and click the bell icon to get notification for the next lesson. Thank you.